Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pocky sticks, so let's get started. To draw this very yummy treat, let's first start by drawing the bag. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve. So let's start about right here, and I'm just going to go draw a soft curve all the way across. So something like that, about that wide. And then I'm going to basically just be drawing a straight line down all the way to create this package. So here we go. Just gonna bear with me here as I try to draw this straight line down. To look at my camera, make sure I'm kind of going straight as possible. And here I'm wobbling, so let's bring it in a little bit, and let's say about that tall. I don't have much of vertical space, so I'm not making my bag too long. But if you're at home and you want to make your bag longer, definitely can do that. So go straight, just like the other side, about right here. And now that I'm pretty leveled on both sides, I'm just going to come to the bottom right here and just zigzag my way across for the bottom of our package. So the top part is nicely cut, and this part is just left to the bottom right here. So that's why this part is jaggedy. Okay, so now that we have our bag in, let's draw the Pocky sticks, right? So of course I'm making them a lot bigger than they should be because I don't want to draw too many details. So I'll just start about right here. And to make it easier, I'm just going to kind of basically be drawing these rounded off rectangles. So say about this wide. And I'm going to stagger them in going different directions, but my goal is to try to make them about the same size, same width. So I'm just going to round off the top, do a little curve, and then come down. So you can put as many as you want, but I think I'll stick with like 5 today. So maybe a taller one right here, just to change it up. And I'm going to make mine strawberry Pocky sticks today, but you can color yours whichever is your favorite flavor. Definitely let me know in the comments below what is your favorite Pocky stick. So then about right here, we'll draw another one going this way. There's these really pretty mint ones that I saw too. And of course there's Oreo and chocolate. And let's see here, let's keep going. And stick one more. So just like I said, I'm just making this easier by just going straight down. And then you can come in here and let's say about right here, I'm going to break it up where the stick and the coating, the sugar coating starts. So if you like, you can always just pop it out. Or you can just leave it straight. So like that. So it just looks like there's 2 different sections. So each one now we're just going to break it up, same amount of length. So about right here, a round curve, and I'll pop it out. About right here, just approximate. And of course, you can always draw the other way where you just draw this top part and then you pop that part out if you want to make it more detailed. And one more, about approximately right here, and I'll pop it out. There, so now we have our Pocky sticks in, and now to work on the package. So I'm going to make this is a Draw So Cute Pocky stick, right? So I'm going to come about right here and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. I'm leaving some space at the top for the graphics, the bars. So I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. Bars of color at the top and bottom. Okay, so now I have my circles in. Let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And now with my eyes in, let's come above each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve. And in between the eyes, let's draw a yummy smile. So let's say about right here, right in the center, I'm going to go curve, and then I'm going to round it off for a little tongue and cap it off. And then let's see here, let's draw the hand. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, and on this side, I'll just draw a hand. So just a little curve coming out, and then thicken the ends. And then on this side, I'm just going to drag this point across. On this side, I'm going to have the hands holding a Pocky stick, of course. So I'll draw a curve coming down. Thought that'd be really cute to do. So let's come over here, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a Pocky stick. So the hand should be holding the thick part, the thinner part. So I'm going to come about right here, round this off, and then the stick part, the uncoated part, I mean. And then, oh, what a mess. And I'm just going to, there, thicken this part up right here for the hand. So hopefully you can see that. Right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change up my black Sharpie for a pink Sharpie to draw the bars and the logo. So I'm going to come up here just so you can see it a little bit better instead of it just being black, since I like the strawberry one anyways, and I have the perfect color with a Sharpie. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go across and draw the bars. So just here and there, kind of like a barcode, some thicker and some thinner. Just going to go across. Maybe this one's thinner. And we'll skip a little bit of space. So your goal is just to at least make this part go all the way across in the same level. And maybe one here. I'm not really following the exact. Okay, so we have that, and I'm just going to come in here and color this part so you can see it better. So that way I don't have a black outline around this part right here. And then same thing at the bottom. I'm going to go higher up this time. So let's say about right here. I'm going to start the exact same thing. So bear with me as I do this. And just going to go ahead and go straight down. Okay, there. So now I have my bars in. I'm going to go ahead and in this area, I'm going to draw the Pocky logo. So I'll start with my P, and I'm going to my best to draw at a slight curve. So this P right here is going to be at a slant. So I'm just going to write it out first and then go in there and thicken it up after. Just want to make sure I get in my letters here. So O. And just remember you're going at a curve. C. Okay, we're going to angle this one out a little bit more. So these letters in here are about the same height, and then Y right here. So definitely use a pencil if you're at home. If you don't feel too comfortable doing this freehand, but as long as it's close, right? So yay, we did it. I'm gonna come in here and thicken this up and adjust whatever I need to. And Y. There, Pocky. And then I'll add a heart right here since this is my Draw So Cute Pocky stick. Put a little heart right here in the center on top of this logo. And let's see here. Maybe I'll put a little one here since it looks very bare right here to finish it off. So that's pretty much it for my drawing here of these Pocky sticks, and I really hope you love how it turned out and I inspire you to draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.